Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can see, markets holding themselves, Bank Nifty holding itself. But if you see Nifty, right, Nifty definitely breaking out of previous days high and then just continuing its up move, right? And that's why I said that Nifty will be way better than Bank Nifty because Bank Nifty has seen a good amount of selling pressure, right? Anyways, the call that I had shorted in the morning yesterday, right, over here. Now I squared it off at the opening itself because of this big green candle, right? If the market had to go for a selling, it should have made kind of a a red candle over here, or even a doji would have been fine. But such a bullish candle over here at a proper resist or at a proper support of 45,000 or strong support of 45,000 meant that most probably markets could recover over here. So I squared off my position somewhere near over here itself. I think I don't remember the exact candle, but I squared off my position at 138 and I got a very good profit of I think it was I think 210 to 220 points, something like that. So anyways, what can we do over here is very simple, right? Now the bulls over here are, if the sellers do not act very fast, the bulls over here will take over the market again and go to new all-time highs, right? Until unless the seller bulls do not give up, the sellers will not be able to enter the market, right? So anyways, if tomorrow we open flat and start crossing 45,417 to 18 on the upside, once we get a 5-minute closing, you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade. Your target will be 45,006, this high, just before this high over here, because from where the selling has started, so we could again see some sort of a resistance being taken over here. So that will be your target, but keep your quantity still low. We will only go aggressive above this level. Until then, we will kind of keep our quantity a little bit less. You can trade with like 60% quantity or maybe two-thirds of the quantity or something like that, but do not go very aggressive over here, because once we cross this, then we have a confirmation that okay, we can expect more bullish momentum, proper bullish momentum on the upside, right? On the downside, as I said yesterday, right, maybe we might open with a gap down and start and kind of take support over here and start moving up, right? And exactly that happened. We kind of opened gap down. I think it was a small gap down, not such a big gap down, but yeah, we opened with a gap down, took support and started moving up. Anyways, tomorrow if the bulls have to take the market up, we should not open with a big gap down, right? We can open with a gap up, that's fine. We can even open flat, that's fine, but we should not open with a gap down. Why do I say so? Is because if you see over here, the bulls, market has closed in a very bullish momentum, right? At least Nifty has, not so much with Bank Nifty, but if you see, Nifty has definitely closed in a very bullish momentum. And whenever there is a gap against the previous trend, right, now there is the bullish momentum. If we say open at 19,420 or say 19,400 tomorrow, what will happen is that a lot of people will get trapped. Anybody who would have made long positions over here, now that guy is trapped over here and he will start squaring off his positions, and we could then see a very trending move on the downside. So tomorrow what we will do is very simple. If we open with a very big gap down, any gap down below 19,430, we'll wait for the first 5 minutes, or we'll wait for the first 15 minutes, and we'll see the price action being made. If we see bearish price action being made in 3 minutes or 5-minute chart in the first 15 minutes, then we'll not hesitate to go ahead and start selling, because over here the markets are kind of a little bit stretched, and if the sellers start selling, we could see a very good momentum on the downside easily. First of all, 19,200, so we could get a very good candle. Maybe tomorrow itself we could get that momentum, but I don't think tomorrow, I don't think we will get that momentum like pretty much till tomorrow itself. We maybe might take a day or two to get there, but yeah, definitely we could see a very good selling over here happening if we open with a very big gap down. And it looks like that, given the US markets right now at the time of making this, they're like down 1%, and there was some sort of a news also which was kind of a little bit bad. I think it was the NFP data which came out like very bad, right? So anyways, I think we will open with a gap down. So yeah, even in Bank Nifty, if you open somewhere near 45,050, 45,000, same thing, we'll look out for price action over here and we'll see, is the market making lower lows, right? Even in 3 minutes, even in 5 minutes, right? we'll see is the market making a lower low, right? If the market is making a lower low, we'll go ahead and take short positions over here. You can keep kind of 100 to 150 points max stop loss in Bank Nifty, and Nifty you can keep I think 30 to 40 points will be fine, and then we can go ahead and our first target will be 44,800, and it will come very fast, right? If we break 45,000, 44,800 will come very fast over here. Market will take no time in getting to 44,800, and I think eventually we can also get down till 44,500, because that is the area from where Bank Nifty has broken out. Let me show you in the 1 hour chart. Yeah, that is the area from where Bank Nifty has broken out. This kind of 100 points range over here, if you see, yeah, this is the area from where Bank Nifty has broken out over here. So Bank Nifty could take a little bit of retracement and then again start moving up on the upside. Same with Nifty also. Nifty could come down till 19,200 levels, maybe 19,100 and maybe 19,000. But that is something that we will see once we see how the price action is being made near 19,200. But yeah, 19,200 could definitely be a short for Nifty also. Given that Nifty has kind of stretched a lot over here, right? So again, if we open with a gap down, we will go ahead and not hesitate to sell, even though the market is looking a little bit bullish, because a lot of people will get trapped over here, and market also hasn't kind of taken a big pullback over here, right? So again, once we see the price action, we'll go ahead and short over here till first of all the target of 44,800 and then 44,500 on the downside in Bank Nifty, and focus more on Bank Nifty, because Bank Nifty, if you see, right, isn't really that bullish as compared to Nifty. Nifty is continuously moving up, but Bank Nifty not so much, right? Bank Nifty is not really moving, so Bank Nifty is a little bit weak. So Bank Nifty could see a better correction as compared to Nifty, right? And Nifty also, if you see, right, it has pretty much good supports on the downside: 19,200, 19,250, maybe 19,300 also, right? So Nifty could maybe not give such good momentum, but yeah, Bank Nifty has 44,800, then straight up has 44,500, right? So we can get a better, cleaner momentum in Bank Nifty on the downside for tomorrow, and on the upside we can get a cleaner momentum in Nifty, right? So if you want to do buying, look out for Nifty. If you want to do selling, look out for Bank Nifty, right? Nifty, same thing. Once we open flat and start crossing 19,510, we'll wait for a 5-minute closing above this high, and then we'll go ahead and take a bullish trade over here. Our target will be 19,550 first of all, and 19,600 on the other hand. We'll just let our trades go, right? If the market is just moving up and up and up, we'll go with the flow. Until unless the market is not changing its trend, we will also not change its trend, right? We see Nifty is also kind of, it really hasn't changed its trend, right? It is making higher highs on the upside and higher lows, higher lows. So we will just move with the trend if we open flat and start crossing. Again, if we open the gap up somewhere near 19,540, 550 Aussie levels, we'll wait for a little bit of retracement till near 19,500. Once we see bullish price action being made near 19,500 in 5-minute chart, then we'll again go ahead and take bullish trade in Nifty. Same with Bank Nifty also. If you open with a gap up somewhere near 45,500 or maybe 550, all these levels, we'll wait for a retracement till 45,400. Once we start seeing bullish price action being made, higher highs, higher lows being made in 5-minute chart, then we will go ahead and take bullish trade in Bank Nifty also, right? So I guess that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I think if the markets do open with a gap down, right, and it looks like the markets will open with a gap down as of making this video, so yeah, if that happens, we could get a very good trending day tomorrow, and it could very well be profitable. But keep in mind that any trade that you take, just keep your risk to reward in control, right? Do not go, like, just take any sort of a trade just because you know that the market is open with a gap down. Maybe you might take a very big loss and then the market might go down, right? So never ever ignore your risk to reward in any trade. As good of a trade as you might get, always keep your risk to reward in control. So yeah, I guess that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.